Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do my braid outs. Braid outs are my go-to style. They're the style that I use the most often. They're easy, they're convenient, not hard to do. So, of course, that's why I gravitate towards them. So I start off by sectioning off my hair, getting it in kind of the direction that I want it to fall once it is braided. And then I just go to braiding it from there. I just got out of the shower from washing my hair, so it is very, very hot in this bathroom. But the items that I use are simply water, a scrunchie or two, some clips to hold it in place, some oil. I usually use olive oil. I'm pretty basic with that. And some hairpins to pin my hair up in case I need to go out, which after this video I did go out, so I pinned it up when I got done. So I just section it off. I start off with this little small section in the front, spray it with water, add oil to it, and then braid it up. That's really all the products that I use. I don't use setting lotions or anything like that. I actually have never tried that, so I don't know if that would work any different. I get very good results with just plain water and oil, so I really don't see the need to add an extra product. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been working, so I just go from there. So I just take a small section, braid it. When I start the braid, I make sure I start really close to the scalp, because I want the braid pattern to begin up as close to the scalp as possible. If I start braiding down a little bit lower, it'll be straight and then start the braid pattern, which I don't want. So I want to kind of have a consistent pattern all the way down the braid. So I make sure I start as close to my scalp as possible. Once I get close to the end, I don't braid it all the way to the ends, and I don't use any rubber bands, as you'll see here in a second. I braid it all the way down to maybe like 1.5 inches from the bottom, and then I just split that section into two and twist the bottom of it. Twist it all the way until I get to the ends of it. For me, this keeps from me having to do too much manipulation to the ends of my hair where I feel like it may pull the locks apart, so I don't like to do that. So I just use a twist at the end to seal it. Then I kind of twirl it around my finger just to seal it up, and that's it. It kind of stays. With my hair, it stays. I know if your hair is just a little bit shorter, it may not. If your hair is thicker on the ends, it may not. My hair, the way it is right now, it stays when I do it this way. So this is how I've been doing it. I really don't like to use rubber bands again because I feel like when I pull the rubber bands off, they get tangled. My hair and rubber bands have really never gotten along. I don't care what type of state my hair is in, natural, loose, relaxed. Rubber bands just never work out for me. They always give me so much problem. So I try to stay away from as much as I can. So from here, the only thing left to do is section off and start braiding. So I section off the front in one big section. I take the back and go horizontally across and section that off. Pin that one up, and then I just start braiding small sections at a time all the way across until I get it all braided up. As far as the braids go, they don't have to be exact. They will come out fine. Trust me, I promise they will come out fine. I do try to get them as close as possible, but I'm not measuring or doing anything like that. Kind of just gauging with my hand and going through and braiding everything until it's all braided up. Now all the braids are out and I'm done. That's why I love this style. I simply put braids in, take braids out, and it comes out looking exactly like this. The crinkles will stay in here for about 4 weeks. As long as I don't wet or wash my hair, they'll be there. They won't be as crinkly as this, of course, after 4 weeks, but they will be in there. And this is the reason why I love this style so much. I don't have to do anything to my hair for the next 4 weeks. I kind of can put it in different styles. I can put it in a ponytail, I can put it in a bun, and the crinkles will still be there. So that's why I do love this style. I do, however, want to try some curly type styles, like with pipe cleaners or flexi rods or something like that that gives me a full on curl. I am interested in that and plan on trying that very, very soon. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. We'll see you later. Bye.